Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. So we got this package in the mail from our friends over at Crazy or Not. Go ahead, open it up, see what they sent you.
See what's inside. Ow. Whoa.
There's a note. Let's read the note. Okay, the note says, "Dear Camden, these eggs made us think of you. Hope you enjoy."
Dinosaurs.
Oh, they say surprise dino eggs. And then at the bottom it says pay it forward. So we're going to send something to our friends over at Human Hot Dog.
What should we send them?
I have a really good idea.
What?
It's going to be so funny. But you have to go to Human Hot Dog to find out.
Is it a prank?
It's a prank. Bye everyone. We're going to go open our new surprise eggs.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.